Hey there, CPO here, and in this video I'm gonna finally tell you guys about the PVC door holder that some of you have noticed in my garage. Particularly the last few videos, I've had my doors off and you've seen that PVC holder, and many of you have hit me up and asked me for details on that. Now I will tell you this, I am getting ready to upgrade my door holding solution. That'll be in a future video. But first, this PVC holder. I've had this holder for almost 3 years. Basically, I built it when I first got the Jeep in June of 2015. And I found some plans online. This isn't something I created or came up with by any means, but somebody had posted some rough idea of plans on how to make one. I took it, I might have tweaked it a little bit. To be honest with you, it's been so long, I don't remember exactly. So I'll look at it with you right now, show it to you, and show you how I built it and tell you some of the things I like or don't like about the way I built it. All right guys, so this is it right here. Like I said, I built this several years ago. It's 1-inch PVC. I got it at Lowe's or Home Depot or someplace. And I actually had them cut it all up for me. I took my measurements with me, and they will make some cuts for you. So I brought it home pretty much in pieces. So the overall width of this thing is 33 inches. I think it's a little bit narrower than what the original plans I saw called for, and the doors fit very snug in here. Originally, I was planning on using some foam like this to cushion the PVC, and put it on the pipe. But what it turns out is I made it so narrow that I couldn't even use this foam cushion really. So I would probably add, 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches to the dimensions of these things. So I'm essentially looking at 6 inches for these 4 center pipes, and see, these look to be about 19 inches on the uprights. So 6 inches, like I said, maybe go 8 inches instead of 6, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've got 11 of the 6 inchers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those 19 inchers. I have these little short guys here. These are probably 1.5 inches or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. And again, you'd make those wider too. And then as far as the junctions, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 T's. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 90-degree elbows. And that's it. That's all that this thing is made of. Now, you probably will want to glue it, cement it. I didn't, so it will actually come apart if I want it to. But it does come apart accidentally when I don't want it to. So I just never got around to gluing it, and to be honest with you. So super quick video, it's down and dirty. That is what it is. A lot of you guys have asked for it, so I thought I would throw that out real quick. That's it, the PVC door holder. The new thing I have coming is a definite upgrade. There's a product. I don't want to give it all away. It's going to be interesting, and it's something that I haven't seen before, but it's going to allow me to take care of my doors and easily move them around and sort of keep them policed in the garage, as opposed to right now with this thing, I just set it down and the doors are where they are. I mean, you could put it on a cart. I've seen people put it on dollies and stuff, but anyway, more to come on that one in a future video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.